Launcher. Who doesn't know about that? Because it's still holding its position for a long time. If you are from Android community, of course you know about that Nova Launcher, and is still the best one according to customization and every single position. So let's get started. In this video I am going to show you how we can install this one and some customization about this. So let's get started. First of all, download the file, given link in description, and this is the beta one and I already installed this. Just install like a normal APK. Here is the Nova Launcher. Just install this APK and you guys will get this Nova Launcher, and click on it and it is already set. But if you become any application open, and it will be set to default. So that's why we need to do, first of all, go to setting, and I'm using here Android 13, and this is really cool because it is supporting Android 13 as well, and you guys can use this on below Android 10, 7, 8, whatever you have, you can do that. And most interestingly, we have Monet support in that build, so this is great. Search here default home application. Just select Nova Launcher to make it default launcher. So now it is set. So this is Nova Launcher, and you guys can see here the customization, really great feature for the app drawer, and we have the search bar which is from Google and it is totally customizable. Now here is the Nova Launcher setting. Open this one. First of all, we will get here the home screen, then we have app drawer, folder, search, and look and feel how you want to make it. Then we have gestures and inputs and integrations, backup and restores. Of course, if you do some existing setup, if you have and already you have some presets, then you guys can do that restore, and of course you can backup. Then we have the labs, and then we have default launcher and say thanks, and then about about this, and we have some advanced settings and feature, and this is from style section. Then if you click here, you guys will get that features, error, and restart Nova Launcher to bypass some errors if you want to. Then we have here the settings. If you click on the settings, and we have styles here, of course we can do that customization which is called palette, and this is the interesting thing which is Monet support. That is system. You guys can do custom local wallpaper and system. If you select system and local wallpaper, of course this will change according to the wallpaper. And we have the Nova settings here. We have different colors according to our surface and text and accent, which you want, you can do that customization. Here we have huge color collection, and of course you guys can select the custom colors if you have any, then of course. And we have here the text colors and text minimum contrast, text custom color, everything is here. That's why this is the father of all custom launcher still now. And this is the surface, you guys can select custom color as well. Now get back, we have other things to show. Here we have the desktop palette colors. We can do that customization in different places like app drawer and in desktop, wherever you want the color accents, just like before. Then we have the drawer. As usual, you guys can select the color. Now we have that color, you guys can select any, like pink if you want to select, then of course. And then we have here the text color. As usual, we can do that customization as well. And then surface and accent as usual. Then we have the dock, which is really important thing, icon size, and you guys can do another important thing, the padding and level and dock background, which is really cool. If you enable dock background, you guys can change dock background colors. Yes. Then we have dog icons. Dog icons can be more or less, you guys can select the customization, which application you want to, how many application you want to keep there. And I am selecting here the 5. You guys can do it 10, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, you guys can do that. This is really cool. And dock pages 1, 2, whatever you need, you can select. And infinite scroll can be selected. And we have some advanced features like display as overlay and remember position. That's it. So these are really amazing features. Most amazing launcher ever. Then we have here the label. You guys can select condensed, font, medium, condensed and light, whatever you want to do. Then we have the folders. Of course you can do customization on folder as well. Then we have a desktop search bar. The search bar customization is really insane. Transparency, text, accent as usual, like as before. I already showed on search window and pop-up menu. Everything is available here. And palette, mode, settings, I already talked about this. Now let's talk about the settings which we have, and let me open it again. And here is the home screen, the customization, label, desktop grid, padding and dock. Of course we have the customization here, the same thing. And then we have the search and dock below. Where you want that search bar placement, you guys can do below the dock, above the dock, and widget and persistent, wherever you want you can do that. And transition effect can be changed, page effect, which is cube, chord stack and tablet, revolving door, flip. Huge collections are there, just like huge customized custom ROM, just like that. And add icons to home screen. Page indicator can be changed as usual. You guys can do like this: page indicator and infinite scroll, wallpaper scrolling, dock background, labeling, everything is here. And then we have the app drawer. Icon size can be customized just like this. If you want to just click on minus, you will be able to do that. And 100%. If you want to customize the icon size, then of course match desktop size, just unmark it, and then of course you can do that thing. Previously I had a huge size of icon, then now I selected this size, which is 94%. And here we have the app grid, which is insane. You guys can select row and column, which what you want actually you can do here. And we have the colors here. I already selected that one, which is pink, I guess. And app drawer style, which is least horizontal, vertical. Let me select the horizontal and I will show you that. Just do like this and it will be like this. Older Android system, which we had on Android 4, 5, 6 I guess. And this is really cool. And here is the dock background, and you guys can customize this search bar as well. And other customizations you guys can try this yourself. So this is the end of this video today. Hope you guys understand everything. If I miss anything, then let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching.